Hey y'all, Trapper Bob. It is Thursday, December something. December 22nd. We have blizzard warnings coming. Right now it's winter weather advisory. And I'm out at the pond tripping traps so I don't have to come back out tomorrow. Blizzard warning starts 6 p.m. tonight. Roads were too shitty to work today. Hauled one load to Warren, Illinois. It was preloaded last night, so we didn't have it setting for 5 days. But I'll give you a peek of what we got going on here. Snowing, blowing. We're supposed to get upwards of 6 inches. The wind right now is roughly 25 mile an hour, and snowing to beat hell. So I'm gonna get these all tripped off, and then I don't have to come out in the blizzard tomorrow. I still have traps behind the house that I'm going to leave out in case we get some coyotes moving through hunting rabbits back there. I can check them with the side-by-side though. So this is what we're doing today. I'm going to get with it because it's pretty shitty out and cold. So all I'm doing with my cable restraints is taking them off the stand, raising the stand all the way up, dropping the cable restraint over it, and tying a flag to it in case it drifts real bad. I can hopefully still find them and either reset or get them pulled. I'm not doing it today, I'm just tripping them off today. So I'll talk at you guys later. This is why I didn't want to come back out tomorrow. Got a pretty good snow drift right here. Oh yeah. That thing's about 2.5 feet deep. Stretches clear across my travel path. Yeah, this is pretty. Hey y'all, Trapper Bob. Well, we got them all tripped. Oh yeah. Wind chill is minus 20 right now. Yeah, that was. I'm dressed warm. Just got my face a little bit. I got brand new boots. My wife bought me. I wear Rockies. That's all I wear. I've been wearing them for 30 years. And some will say there's better boots, but fuck. Hair's getting a little wild. There we go. People will say there's better boots, but I'm hard as hell on boots. Between hunting, fishing, trapping, I wear the shit out of boots. I'd like to get sponsored by Rocky because damn things aren't cheap. But yeah, it's cold as hell out. So, having issues with my phone. Hey y'all. Having issues with my phone. It's only recording about 1.5 minutes. So, I gotta do something. I'm gonna head home now. Call it a day. I got these tripped. The weather's supposed to calm down Saturday morning. So I'll probably come out Sunday, assess the damage, and see if we can't get them set back up. If not, I'll leave them the way they are until snow melts, and I'll come pull them in the spring. But I'm hoping. I got a bobcat tag to fill after Christmas, so I want to get that filled. But I still have traps at home, so we'll be checking them Y'all have a good day. Stay warm. Stay off the roads if you don't have to be on them. Talk to you later. Bye.